Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start as the Hero class with 40 strength, 16 vigor, and a high melee focus for heavy weapons. Your opening gear should include a greatsword or battle axe that scales with strength. Prioritize upgrading that weapon with smithing stones to +6 for reliable damage. Invest early runes into vigor to raise HP and endurance to increase stamina and equip load so you can wear armor without fat rolling. Use torrent to traverse faster and set up fights on your terms. Mounted attacks let you close distance and strike before drawing multiple foes. Master the combat rhythm. Poke with light R1s in a 3-hit string to pressure, then follow with a heavy R2 when the foe is staggered. Manage stamina carefully and avoid letting your bar fall below 20% before attempting a dodge or a heavy attack. Stamina management wins fights against bosses and groups. Use parry tools on small humanoid enemies, backstep or sprint dodge wide attacks, and perform guard counters with shield R2 against predictable strikes. Swap to Ashes of War that adds skill or stance change to tailor your fighting style. Plan your build around a mid-game target of 40 strength, 20 endurance, and 20 vigor for a heavy-hitting hero who can wear armor and swing great weapons. Collect smithing stones and somber smithing stones to push your main weapon past +10 or +25 depending on the weapon type, and socket Ashes of War to alter scaling or add special skills. If you change direction, use a larval tier at Renala to respec and reassign stat points. Swap talismans to boost strength scaling, stamina recovery, and equip load for heavier armor setups.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.